Today, my mother-in-law will be cooking different types of egusi soup. I'm sure you want to know. Just keep watching this video. I wouldn't mind this kind of work that I like. Hello guys, welcome to the continuation of my previous vlog. Like I already told you guys, I am in the city of Ibadan and I'm going to share my experience with you guys because you guys are the realest MVPs. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. If you are just seeing me for the first time, I am Glorydpoet and I create content weekly. Blue
sugar. They are like rubber in the
she feels like rubber.
Yeah.
I am also a sound engineer and a poet, so be sure to enjoy amazing content from me weekly. Yes, just click on the red icon that says subscribe and also click on the post notification bell so when I post a new video you'll be the first to know. I advise you click on all so you won't miss any of my video. At this point, I did not know my mother-in-law was cooking something delicious, but the aroma drove me to the kitchen and guess what? I decided to vlog this cooking video. But this mixture is egusi and onion. Then after mixing it. Blend egusi and onion.
I will dish it out into the soup. Nice.
So mommy is putting the egusi in the pot and it was meat. What was cooking inside the pot before?
It's stuffed fish, it's dry fish, PKOMO. But I removed the meat, I put it again when the egusi is a bit done so that the meat will not be soft. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's the only thing I can use. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And I want to get
Goat meat. Mommy is adding goat meat. It has been cooked already. So just stir.
today. This Cameroon pepper. I added before, it's not enough, so that's why. Little oil because it's egusi. You know, egusi itself is oil, but for my people, they always want plenty oil in egusi. Not always the best. To add too much oil to egusi. I just want about salty. The oil is real banga oil. Okay, I've not added crayfish. So until I add crayfish, it's not yet time. Until I add crayfish, this one will be the last one, or
this one will be the last one.
It do not break. Sometimes I don't even put it inside. It's when we are ready to eat. I'll just take little out of it, put this one and warm it separately because this one is being cooked in a large quantity now. You add more oil?
Yes, ma'am.
The oil okay now? It's okay.
For those of you that do not know what egusi is a melon. It is used to make egusi soup as it is popularly known in Nigeria. You can eat this soup with semovita, semolina, pounded yam, garri or fufu. Mommy just added bitter leaf and PKOMO, also known as cow skin, into the pot, and she's going to stir it. I'm going to say this again. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please click that cute subscribe button and also turn on the post notification bell so when I upload a new video, you'll definitely be notified.
This is our lovely mommy that is cooking this delicious food.
Sometimes I do add processor pots. Since this one is okay like this, there's no need for processor again. This I will just add its own aroma.
The first part of the egusi soup is done. Mommy is now going to make Egusi Nsala.
This one is a different seed, but I'm adding it to it. We call it ariwo in Ondo states. We call it ariwo. Then I've added ariwo, I've added onions, I'm adding ginger, turmeric, all sorts of spices you can add. So what's
this one called?
It's egusi too. It's egusi soup, but we call it Egusi Nsala.
This is clove. Some people use it to make zobo drink.
Have to boil. All necessary ingredients are there. Spices, ginger, clove, turmeric.
Mommy just added the mixture, as she said, and she's going to cook it for a few minutes. Just adding water.
Just to boil and add meat and fish meat until it boils. Still it will require adding more water, but I've not added it. The turmeric I added that time, I didn't remember to put the remaining one, so I have to add the grinded one. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
But if it's not enough, I can still add more. Use it. You can use any kind of spice.
So guys, it's time to make Egusi Nsala. One thing about Egusi Nsala is that it does not require any leaf, and mommy will teach us how to make it. Mommy is adding seasoning cube into the pot. This is not your regular egusi soup. This is a classic cuisine prepared with the loving hands of my mother-in-law.
This one doesn't need too much curry. I want to put the meat now. Before I put the fish. That's the fish. I want to put the meat now. Before I put the fish.
Okay. Wow. So, mommy, why are you not breaking the fish?
I don't want to break. I've added broken ones. This one, we eat it like this, as it is. Eat it like this, as it is.
I have the normal egusi on this side, Egusi Nsala on this other side. Guys, the food is really delicious. I'm so excited. Alright, that's going to be it for this episode. My travel vlog still continues. Just subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you on the next episode. For now, bye.